Dunham Massey has always been a place of peace, somewhere to escape the city. Soundscape provides a new breakaway from the digital world. Silence encourages us to listen and in turn to reflect, appreciate and react. Soundscape encourages this cycle through site-specific noise and enclosure with its listening panels, silence screen and interactive sound wall. This has been tested vigorously from conception to a working prototype and then a detailed 1:5 model. This model illustrates how well the sound wall would work. The acoustic quality is gentle, discreet and would sit in harmony with the ambience of the garden at Dunham Massey. The form of the facades of the listening panels is derived from sound recorded on site, the waves becoming building blocks for the plywood elevations. Soundscape is constructed from prefabricated panels, some featuring interactive acrylic components and some elegant plywood screens. These panels are then transported to site and assembled through bolting together. Soundscape will adapt and grow through the seasons. The silence screen provides a contemplative environment to shelter from winter winds and frames frosty views. The listening panels encourage explorers to strain to hear the muted sounds of autumn and enjoy summer in all of its glory. The sound wall recreates the animation of spring and allows visitors to interact with the sounds of Dunham Massey.